Hey y'all, this is Lucy from the blog Paper Glitter Glue, and I wanted to show you how to make this cute little palm tree. I'm going to put it on my next little house. So let's get started. I'll show you the tools that are involved. Glue, favorite glue, Aleene's Fast Grab tacky glue, a little bit of collage medium, wire, regular floral wire, strips of brown packing paper, a small dowel, some leaf cutouts, and I've got some pre-cut wire here, and a few pre-made leaves for the palm tree. Okay, so first, let's get, after I cut out the wire, I'm sorry, I always have paint on my fingers every time I decide to do a video. So first I use my good glue, my thick glue, and you'll see why in a minute. Mainly because it holds the wire so nicely. Okay, let's do a couple of them. I've got a pattern for these little leaves on my blog if you want to download your own, but really all you have to do is cut out little ovals and then cut out little, separate the leaves on each side. So I'll show you in a second. Okay, let's put another one on top. See how well it holds it, this glue, this thick Aleene's Fast Grab glue holds it. Okay, push the two together, and then when it's dry, you'll separate out the little divisions of the leaf or branch or whatever. Okay, one more time. Smear it around. Wipe your fingers off on a wet rag. Glue the wire down. Put the top one on. Old glue all smeared together. That'll come off. Okay, match up the edges. And that's it. That's how you make the branches. Alright, so to make the actual palm tree itself, gather several branches. Oh, I pre-painted it with brown. Gather, I don't know, 5 to 7 branches. This is like just a little bit tricky because they want to rotate on you. So when I'm showing you on a video, sometimes it's a little goofy, a little less coordinated than I am normally, or rather, even less coordinated than I am normally. That's 5. I want that one in the back. 6. Always try to do odd numbers. And we can rearrange them a little bit because it bends. It's wire. It bends. Okay, next, I'm going to use the collage medium. Smear it on my brown paper, which I pre-painted a little bit too. I tried to edge it with brown a little bit because it looks so good as a tree trunk. Okay, wait, let's just try to get this around right now. I'm not trying to make it look good, we're just trying to secure it a little bit. And see how the branches look. Really, it looks pretty good for a palm tree. Now, and like I said, we can still play around with it a little bit more. Now we're going to wind more strips around the bottom, and I like this collage medium because I can just dip my fingers in real easy and twirl. Dip it in, get another one, get it started. Just keep twirling. Keep going down. Kind of working your way down the trunk. Do a little more there. Just a little bit more. Almost done. That's how easy it is to make the palm trees. This was suggested to me by a friend of mine online, an online buddy named Howard. He made a beach house and made a little palm tree this way. Only on his, he just used leaves you can get from a hobby store and just cut them and added them. But you know, I just like make my own paper stuff. It's just my favorite. So if I have an option to make something out of paper versus buying things from the hobby store, I will probably make my own. And really, that's about it. And that's the little palm tree. And, you know, like I said, I'll play around with the leaves a little bit, and I'll flare them out when my fingers aren't sticky. But that's how you do it. You make the leaves, glue the leaves onto the wire, or cut leaves that you get from the from a hobby store, and then just on a dowel, get some packing paper, and just roll it around, and you have your own palm tree. And if you want to add like coconuts, I may make some little coconuts out of polymer clay, or even wad up some paper for it. So anyway, that's how you make a palm tree. Okay, y'all have a good day. Bye.